we have a lot of powerful women in stories and all, but sometimes they try to overpower them just to be, sort of woke.
I like it actually. Even if it's bad, nah, I don't mind. I feel like we deserve to see some very foolishly overpowered female characters.
Like She-Hulk part, but I actually enjoyed her because she was very fun. She was very relatable, you know.
She-Hulk, I mean, even though you defended it, I hated that show.
Wow.
The finale ruined it for me.
इंडियन पॉपुलेशन वेस्टर्न मीडिया में कितना कम था पहले. Like I would say what BTS has done to Asia, and I would like to compare the same thing what Bahubali has done to like India.
Gali is nice, you know. It just keeps your anger down, so you
And
should.
I am at home. I
whatever.
have to control.
Yeah, like being at home,
That
you
is the
have to
only
control,
reason.
you know, वरना मम्मी घर से बाहर निकाल देंगी.
Next joke which I hear a lot on YouTube shorts. I have seen a lot of shorts की ना podcast के आते हैं. There are multiple girls sitting there and person just asks, name me 3 books. you guys name me 3 books.
3 books.
Our favorite ones are like any book.
Any book, because it is very stereotypical for people to think कि ना girls don't read or anything. Girls on the internet don't.
Okay, so 3 books. The Perks of Being a Wallflower, Percy Jackson and the
Lightning Thief.
and the third one would be Bunny. It's a sort of like a horror. I have not finished the book Bunny because it's sort of like bittersweet when you are like inching towards थोड़ा सा ऐसे prolong करने का मन करता है, इसलिए मैंने वो अभी तक खत्म किया है और मुझे खत्म करना है because I want.
You want to get rid of it. ये चीज खत्म.
हाँ, I mean वो भी, बट मुझे एंडिंग भी जाननी है और बाकी बुक्स भी है मेरे बुक शेल्फ में जो मुझे शुरू करनी है. Yeah.
Richa, you can name 3 books.
I generally read lot of self-help books, so not really reading. Currently, I'm reading Sweet Deception, which was suggested by Shweta. That and I'll name 3 books I have read. One is Atomic Habits and The Mind Is You. I think Brianna West के सारे सेल्फ हेल्प बुक में और मुराकामी का भी अच्छा है. और मैंने कहा I want to die but I want to eat the book. This is the book I forgot. That is a very good book I felt in terms of mental health. So this 4 books and currently I'm reading Sweet Deception. So that is और मेरे को ऐसे
Sweet
मतलब ऐसे
Deception is
particular
like a book talk book, so let's not
हाँ
count
book
it.
talk, yeah. हम अच्छा लिख लेंगे उससे
इसलिए मैंने ट्विस्टेड सीरीज का नाम नहीं लिया, वरना आई read all 4 twisted books.
Yeah, let's not talk about book talk books when we're talking about
book
books,
talk
3
books.
books.
थोड़ा
What about you, Shweta? Name 3 books.
Okay, so like I'll tell my favorite ones. So there's this book called The Memory Keeper's Daughter. Is by Kim Edwards. It's about, you know, a kid who, like a baby who was born with Down syndrome. So when I read it, I got a lot of awareness about Down syndrome. And then there's this book called Untouchable Spring. It's translated from a local language. I don't remember which one, but was one of my favorite during my course. And then there's this book called Funny Boy. It's about, you know, Sri Lankan, you know, that civil war that happened. It was about you know, a person who was gay, who was growing up as a Tamil in Sri Lanka during that time. And there's more. Can I just say?
Sure.
There's this book.
The floor is all yours.
Yeah, so there's this book called The Color Purple. It's by Alice Walker. It's like a feminist novel, and I really love it. So, and there are like a lot more, which I guess I'll just stop here for now.
Yeah, you guys read. I will also give 3 books that I have read, just to keep things balanced.
Yeah.
So I have read. Do you guys know about the Song of Ice and Fire?
I have heard about it, but I haven't
Yes,
really
it's
read
a
it.
Game of Thrones thing, na?
हाँ, गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स जिस बुक पे बेस्ड है,
हाँ.
बुक सीरीज पे, तो आई हैव रेड द होल सीरीज व्हाइल आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल टू माय कॉलेज, तो मैं पढ़ते हुए जाता था।
Hmm.
एंड बचपन में डायरी ऑफ अ विम्पी किड से मैंने स्टार्ट किया था।
Us.
एंड
For me, it was Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and Oliver Twist.
एलियन, हाँ, एंड ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट, वो तो हमारे करिकुलम में भी थी, एनसीईआरटी में भी वी यूज्ड टू रीड, एंड शर्लॉक होम्स की एनी
And
any
also
given
Invisible Man.
इनविजिबल मैन बिकॉज़ दैट वाज इन आवर करिकुलम।
Ah,
No,
that
not for me.
कैंटरविल घोस्ट भी तो है।
it,
I
it
want
was
to
fun books.
I want to share another book series which is very close to my heart. So, okay, so The Perks of Being a Wallflower, which I mentioned first, is my comfort book, and it's also been adapted to a movie. Please watch it if you want to. But other than that, the Hunger Games trilogy is my the most favorite dystopian genre ka trilogy, and very very amazing. It's very beautifully written. The characters are amazing. The dialogues between the characters, it's very beautiful. It's haunting and it's beautiful and it's very and it's useful in every. It's timeless. I would say it's timeless because the author wrote it during the early 2000s or era mein. Yeah. But it's very relevant day and age. Like हमारे दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है.
हमारी दुनिया में
हम
लाइट आ गई है।
हाँ. So उसके हिसाब से I would say it's very timeless, and the author has also released sort of like a prequel. It's called The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, or is it Snakes and Songbirds? I forget. Wait, let me check. So that is like the prequel to Hunger Games. And this book, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. It's the main character is the villain, is the guy who was villain in the Hunger Games का series. So it was when he was younger. के पूरे point of view से दिखाया है, the villain के point of view से, and it was very interesting to read that.
Which is, I think Disney is doing that nowadays with Cruella and Maleficent.
I would, you know what? I don't like Cruella because there is no excuse to want to skin Dalmatian dogs. But I do feel sympathetic to Maleficent because उसका कोई गलती नहीं था. उसका कोई भी गलती नहीं है. But it's very different. Disney का was very different. I would say Cruella was trying to, Cruella में they were trying to justify.
Humanize the character.
हाँ, इसमें in the book which I was reading, the author didn't try to humanize his actions. They were just कि हाँ ये उसकी ऐसी mentality है, and he had many chances to improve himself and put himself on the right track, but ultimately he chose not to. So, वैसा. I was asking you कि do you watch House of Dragon?
No, I don't want to watch it because it is not book accurate, and I hate Game of Thrones now because of how they ended the 7th and 8th season.
Who did you want to be the rightful heir of the throne? Who did you want?
I did not. I mean, I was fine even with Bran becoming the king. That was fine by me. But they butchered the character of Jon Snow. They butchered the character of Daenerys.
Daenerys, yeah.
They overpowered the character of Arya and Sansa as well. Like they overpowered it. Littlefinger was reduced to nothing in a matter of seconds. And yeah, they really screwed up the show. Because I have read the books and the story is totally different from season 4 onwards. क्योंकि उनके पास ना जो कंटेंट नहीं था कि आगे हमने बनाना क्या है. So the story is very different. Season 6 was good. And a lot of elements from there will be included in the upcoming books, which I don't know if the guy will end up completing or not. इतना बूढ़ा आदमी है वो और लिख भी नहीं रहा.
मुझे एक्चुअली मैंने तो ज़्यादा देखा नहीं है. I tried watching season 1. It was okay, but then they killed
Ned Stark.
जॉन नहीं जो स्टार्क फैमिली का जो है
Ned Stark,
वो
Ned.
बंदा क्या नाम है उसका
Eddard Stark.
हाँ तो मैं बड़ी बहुत ही ज्यादा सैड हो गई थी बट आई हैव like an edit
Thank God you have not
videos
seen season 3.
नहीं I know what happens the red wedding I know that मुझे नहीं देखना
I mean,
it's too sad
ठीक है, since we started talking about Game of Thrones, I want to ask you guys about like uh, we don't have a lot of we have a lot of powerful women in stories and all, but sometimes they try to overpower them, like because just to be sort of woke, we can say. Like I was saying that they overpowered all the women character in beauty and were like भाड़ में जाओ ये तुम किसी काम के नहीं हो literally season 6 के बाद ये हो चुका था. It should not be the case, they were very good characters, but I feel they were character assassinated just to sort of be like being woke. All the girls have power and all. What's your take on that? Because,
in
even when it comes to
general,
Marvel as well, Marvel, the new crop that is coming up in Marvel, the Young Avengers as they call them. So Doctor Strange में जो आई थी लड़की, that was America. I forgot the name. Yeah. So that was a girl. Hawkeye में was another girl. So basically, I was saying that they are including female characters, which is good, but they are sort of overpowering them. Like, I mean, I don't know if you have seen Doctor Strange Pretended, but
yes
they
Yeah.
overpowered that character, and Doctor Strange was
Wanda.
reduced to nothing. I think.
Yeah. Are you talking about Wanda or are you talking about America?
America. Wanda was good, yeah.
Yeah.
Wanda to
Yeah. See, I would see. I don't know Game of Thrones ka exactly, but you have read the source material. But sometimes the showrunners take creative, they pick a different route really because of the book. But जितना मैंने at least okay, let's talk about Sana. मैंने उसके बारे में सुना है, देखा है. I've read. She went through a lot. She's been abused a lot so she was left in like the enemy's family the people who killed her father the people who killed her mother the people who killed her brothers so she was abused to like the बहुत ही ज़्यादा extent पे so if those if वो पूरे उसके experiences का accumulation makes her very powerful then I personally as a I wouldn't mind that because that's like sweet catharsis, a character who has been abused and who's been treated so bad for so long, and her getting some kind of power back. That's reclamation. That's catharsis. And if you're talking about Marvel, I think America Chavez has been very powerful in the comics as well. उसकी power ही है वो कि that she gets to jump through different dimensions. That's her power. So I don't know ki if it's overpowered or it's sticking to the source material regarding America Chavez. And Baki ke I don't know overpower ka, but I like it actually. Even if it's bad, I don't mind. I feel like we deserve to see some very foolishly overpowered female characters bad. Like because there are so many as compared to female characters, so many male centric shows or male centric stories where the male character is cartoonishly overpowered.
South Indian movies.
हाँ ठीक है South Indian movies but like do you watch The Boys? Have you watched The
Yeah.
Boys?
Yeah.
Huh. So, do you know that they are actually Homelander fans? Do you know? Actually, people who love Homelander, like actual fandom mein, there are people who love. That's the level. So I don't mind. Like, really, I don't mind. I am like, let there be more odd female. I'm fine with that. I love seeing a bunch of females just beat up people just spreading chaos and being very powerful. I love that. Personally, I don't mind it.
What's your take on that, Shweta?
I feel, that I've seen so many damsel in distress where I feel like, why are you not doing anything? Why is the character made that way? that I feel, that I am seriously loving this era where we have a lot of female superheroes. Like, there was this Marvel. I loved watching Miss Marvel. Like,
That
my
was a very
family
fun
loved
show.
watching it. Yeah. And, people were hating on the, like, She-Hulk part, but I actually enjoyed her because she was very fun. She was very relatable. Apart from being the superhero, she was like one of that person. She was like, I don't want to be a superhero. I just want to live my own life. But then somehow she became a superhero, and it also showed the downside of being a female and being a woman, or like being a female superhero. That's how I like saw it. And I grew up watching Ultraviolet and Resident Evil, where there was a female protagonist. So I actually love watching women beat some ass and everything,
So
because I have seen a lot of times
that
where
is
women
my
are not
point.
doing
Like
anything.
that is my point. Like we have very good female characters. Even in I don't know if you know about it. Alien. If you have seen this, the movie Alien, old one. So the main character there was also a woman, and she was very badass. Everyone accepts that. The fact that she was very badass. So we have had a lot of powerful women, but
Hmm.
nowadays it is more like that people are trying to pander to women, like just to get the clicks, just to get the views. And She-Hulk, I mean, even though you defended it, I hated that show.
Wow.
Not because she was
I
a woman,
find it
okay, yeah,
funny.
not because she was a woman, ठीक है, she had problems, but the finale ruined it for me. uh,
Yeah,
how they resolved
somewhat it
everything, na,
was.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
how they resolved
You know
everything.
what?
Hmm.
I don't think it's a bad thing to pander to the female audience.
Hmm.
There's a thing called the male gaze. Barbie was a female gaze, despite its like some faults I loved, but I don't think it's a bad thing to pander to.
I'll give you an example on male gaze and female gaze. Okay. Have you seen Suicide Squad?
Yeah.
So Margot Robbie had,
Yeah,
yeah, like,
I know,
yeah,
I know
she
what you're
had
talking about.
different clothes. And in Birds of Prey,
But
she was wearing different clothes.
yeah.
She was made for the female gaze.
Hmm.
Of
Like,
course, after seeing all those, I want my, character to be
I think
powerful.
that's also true for Scarlet Witch as well in Marvel, Wanda, and Widow as well, because Iron Man 2
Yes.
she was very
yes,
sexualized, and after that they made it better.
yes.
They made it better.
I would like to add to that. I would like to add to Shweta's point. In Suicide Squad, the first part, she's wearing very tight and very seductive look she has, which is not the case in Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey, she's very like fun and like childish, and she's very comfortable. She's very relatable because she's just broken up with Joker and what, and she just destroys something, and that's fun. And talking about Black Widow, बाकी के movies में where she's not the main character, she has been shown like she has been sexualized a lot. But in her movie, in Black Widow, it was amazing. Like that's one
Yeah,
of my favorite Marvel movies. It was really really amazing. I
that
loved it.
you know what,
Love.
that was actually a very good movie. Critics panned it somehow. That
Yeah.
was a very good movie, but उसमें I think the maybe the villain was a little bad. That's why.
हाँ, Taskmaster का related.
uh,
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the people who've read comics, उनका मैं समझ सकती हूँ, but sometimes you just take the changes in stride. I mean, it's fine. I'll tell you another experience. Okay, so in Percy Jackson की movies में ना, जो Percy Jackson जो secondary main character है, her name is Annabeth Chase. Okay, she's been described to have blonde hair and gray eyes. But now that show has an adaptation and played by a young African American dark skinned woman, ठीक है? And so many people were so mad. Yeah, the people were like very mad, but like the author had to come up and clarify कि I didn't choose this actress because of the woke. I chose her because she embodied spirit or embodied the essence of the character. No, that is also very necessary. So sometimes you just take the changes in stride. Like, fine, they might material, but if the author is involved in it, you should trust that author, because ultimately they are the ones who created this. उनका भी प्यार है उसमें, उनका भी खून पानी पसीना सब है उसमें. So वो कुछ सोच के ही कर रहे होंगे ना. So yeah.
Think I'll tell you, I have watched Bridgerton, okay? So I won't compare them to Game of Thrones or whatever Marvel series or other series which people are very fan of. But I have recently watched Bridgerton, and it is very female dominating, I would say. But the theme is like, personally the theme is very chalo matlab women should get married, and the women characters are mainly like they wanted to write, or some wanted to learn, some wanted to be of some wanted to be homemaker kind of, some wanted to be a writer, some wanted to just read, that kind of thing. So I think generally whatever it is happening, because there are so many people who, like, women are given opportunities, like for in our country only. So there are so many people who come up and they can stand, they can work or whatever. Even मतलब अगर थोड़े लेवल पे भी इतना इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ, तो वहां जाके मतलब बड़े लेवल पे हम अब देख पा रहे हैं. तो उसके लिए अगर हम रोक देंगे और क्रिटिसाइज करने लगेंगे, मेरे को नहीं लगता कि क्या बोल सकते हैं कि वो रुक सकता है. मतलब आई फील दैट, जैसे कि आई टेल यू व्हाट, वो इंडियन पॉपुलेशन वेस्टर्न मीडिया में कितना कम था पहले. आजकल सब सीरीज इंडियन पे बन रही है, और इंडियनाइजेशन इतना, सब लोग इंडियन खाना खा रहे हैं, ये बन रहा है, व्यूज मिल रही हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारा भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो रहा है. लाइक आई वुड से व्हाट BTS हैज डन टू एशिया, एंड I would like to compare the same thing what Bahubali has done to like India. If I would like, not I'm saying, but then same way, women are also represented at certain ways, and I think they're rightfully represented. And मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि जो भी हो रहा है मतलब ठीक है. I support women's wrong, I support women's right. So
That's fine. But you mentioned Bahubali as well.
I'm not saying
Bahubali,
it's all wrong.
you mentioned
Uh,
Bahubali. Bahubali also had strong female characters like Kami
Yeah.
Devi and
uh,
Bahubali की wife थी जो what
Yeah.
sorry, but
Yeah. See,
Hmm.
yeah, coming to that, there are very rare, even South Indian or Bollywood movies or shows that I've seen which have very less well written female characters. ठीक है, बाहुबली में, yeah, बाहुबली की wife and very well written. They had flaws, like the mom she had, which I really liked.
इंडिया में बहुत सारे फीमेल सेंट्रिक मूवीज बनी है, और बहुत
हाँ.
अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट, बहुत अच्छी लेवल पे बनी है, लेकिन लोगों को पता नहीं है. जैसे अनुष्का शेट्टी और ये तारा के, इन लोगों के रोल्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन अभी अभी पता चल रहा है. लेकिन इनको जितना वेज पैरिटी के हिसाब से, पॉपुलैरिटी के हिसाब से स्टारडम मिलना चाहिए, उतना आई थिंक नहीं मिल रहा है अभी. वेस्टर्न मीडिया से हो सकता है वो जो तुम लोग बता रहे थे या डिस्कस कर रहे थे, हो सकता है अब इंडिया में वो वेव आए. मतलब आई फील इट शुड कम, एंड इट शुड like they should get equal wage parity and everything and respect.
Yeah.
Because
Yes, obviously, yeah.
if Rajinikanth can romance a girl who's in 20s or 30s, why not other women are allowed or something like that? I'm not saying like that, but then मैंने ये भी मूवी देखी थी, मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगी थी.
नहीं,
What's the
that
movie?
is correct. That what you're saying is correct कि Rajni, older actors
No,
are romance.
coming to your question, like, if you read in history, you will see that basically women are being slept on, throughout the history. Like, if you start reading history, or you'll start reading like anything, so now that the focus is being put on women, that you're coming to your question, you said that, everything, women are becoming overpowered and all. Women are actually not becoming overpowered. Women are just being shown as themselves, because we, in our mind, we don't really see women being put forward. It's a very long history of recreation, movies, books, but rarely do we see, that women are the main character, or women are the more powerful one. So this is why, we feel, not me though, we feel, other people feel that, women are getting overpowered or things. Because, do we question when men are overpowered, men are overpowering everyone? We do not question that, because we have an idea that, that men are supposed to be powerful, men are supposed to be like this, men are supposed to be like that. But when it comes to women, we start questioning, why is she so powerful, why is she like that? So I think it's more like we are not that prepared to see women being the main character, the woman being powerful. This is why, I think this is where your question is from. This is where people start questioning things.
So now let me explain from where I'm coming from. Conversation started with Sansa. You were talking about Sansa, right? I think her journey, yeah, definitely, whatever she went through, she deserved that redemption. But I am saying that uh, the way it was handled, so that was actually not the fault of the character. That was the fault of the writing, which you explained as well. That in Bahubali we have very good written female characters. That's why they are so impactful. The writing was lacking in Game of Thrones in the later seasons, because they just wanted to wrap things up. Ki chalo bhai
Yeah.
khatam karna. So
Yeah.
I think it's not the fault of the character. I think it's the
Yeah.
fault of the writing. And
Right.
even when
Yeah.
I started this question, that was my main issue, that uh, the characters are been written very poorly, in my opinion. They are very good. They can be much better as well. But due to some, I don't know, stigma or gaze, maybe they are be written in a certain way. Like the writing of the characters actually makes these things non-believable instead of being believable. Like you mentioned the boys as well. The characters there are written so well. Like you believe in them, and it is a satire. So they question both sides from time to time. So that is all because of the writing. Otherwise, you would go to one side, like you said, Homelanders के fan है. तो कुछ लोग होंगे पागल जो Homelander को अच्छा समझते हैं.
Yeah, no, writing impacts a lot. You are right about that. Writing impacts but then I feel like it's very subjective to individual. Like for example, I loved the She-Hulk show because it was fun. About the last episode, that was a bit. Yeah, the finale was a bit meh, but the entire show I found.
Yeah, it was fine. I did not find anything offending in that. Like a lot of people were offended because of it, for some reason.
Yeah,
It was not very
yeah,
offending. It was fine. बट वो
yeah.
फिनाले जो था ना, फिनाले में मेरा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. फिर मेरे को मजा नहीं आया.
But yeah, writing at the end of the day is subjective. So तुम्हें क्या पसंद आता है, तुम्हारे क्या taste है, it depends on that.
Anyone else wants to add, counter my point, and my light is gone.
Ooh.
मुंह से गाली वाली निकाल.
Gali is nice, it just keeps your anger down. So you
And,
should.
Yeah, you could like put funny
I would like to
faces.
say something. It's not related to this all these things, but it is related to mental health. I'm seeing this is the trend where it's like I in my page, this is showing that you have so much of anger and shame and guilt. That's why you are where you are. These three things, if we overcome, we can get somewhere in life. So anger being the good controller of our emotions. So I really like anger and rage kind of emotions. So I think everyone should have their own expression of express.
ठीक है, I don't express myself. I usually laugh.
You
At,
should.
नहीं मतलब
I
we
laugh it
also
off
don't
actually.
use. I also never use curse word, but people who use, I think it's okay if you are using if it's not hurting anyone.
Yeah, I am at home. I
Whatever.
have to control it.
Yeah, like being at home,
That
you
is the
have to
only
control,
reason.
you know, वरना मम्मी घर से बाहर निकाल देंगी.
लाइट आ गई.
Yeah, we can for like second season, second session,
सेकंड
second
सीजन
episode.
सेकंड सीजन ऑफ गर्लहुड. वह मेरे मूड पे भी डिपेंड करेगा कि मेरा मूड कर रहा है आज रिकॉर्ड करने का या नहीं.
आज हो गया लेकिन finally I was not expecting.
Yeah.
आई वाज डिलेइंग थिंग्स. मैं काफी लेजी हूँ. अभी देखना, इसको एडिट करते करते मेरे को
नहीं,
एक
हम
हफ्ता
भी
लग जाएगा.
कर रहे थे.
It's
जल्दी
okay.
करना edit दो.
ये देखो, वो दोनों इट्स ओके बोल रहे हैं, ये कह रही है जल्दी करना.
भाई, because you need to do it, you know.
आई नीड टू.
I am being the realist here. I'm just telling you to do your work because I know how I am like, so I don't want you to be like me.
या
I hope we brought a positive effect on your podcast. So much positive energy and vibes and a safe space probably for all the girls.
हम like season में बढ़ चुके हैं ना, like seasons of girlhood वाला.
I'm winter.
विंटर,
I am
ऑटम
autumn. She's
एंड शी समर.
No, I am thunder.
she's
थंडर. थंडर कौन सा सीजन
Yeah,
है?
thunder.
thunderstorms कोई सीजन नहीं है, बस thunderstorm कल वाला, एक आज मॉर्निंग वाला नहीं था, जैसे
कॉन्सेप्ट ही
दिल्ली में
खराब है.
धड़ धड़.
बेसिक्स ही खराब है आपके तो.
यार मुझे समर नहीं चाहिए था, मुझे रेनी सीजन नहीं चाहिए था, बट आई जस्ट लव thunderstorms, so I'm like I'm thunder. So my sign is basically unicorn and thunder.
My sign is a snowflake and a cat.
Mine is
Right.
panda and autumn.
Canada वाला, you know, leaf, the maple leaf.
Amazing.
she's that.
Exactly.
I wanted to be unicorn
Because
because
I
I don't exist.
also write quotes
Okay.
and I keep that leaf as a signature. So I wanted that leaf in my name.
And you can go to Canada as well.
वो तुम जाओ.
हाँ, आधी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है मेरी. पगड़ी बांध दी मैंने रेड कलर की. It was really fun talking to you guys and getting a female perspective here on our channel as well. आज तो मैंने भी काफ़ी इंग्लिश में बातें की. मेरे दोस्त इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करते मेरे साथ. But it was a really fun conversation and I hope we will see you again. Fingers crossed for
You
that.
bet. You bet.
Or we'll see you on our channel.
Yes, so the girls are trying to start their own podcast as well. So, you know, जब भी start होगा, definitely I will give a link on in my description or on my Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram as well, yeah. So yeah, you guys can follow me and you guys can follow Seasons of Girlhood on Instagram as well. I will put the link in the description. And thank you guys for watching. It was lovely having you girls on here and see you soon, I guess.
Yeah,
Bye.
hopefully.
Thank you.
Bye.
Like, share and subscribe to the channel. याद रखना, ये आ जाएगा लाइक वाला.
हमारे में नहीं आ रहा.